Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung Galaxy A3 Core to an Android device. First of all, access Play Store on both of them, click on the search bar and type Send Anywhere. Then download this app from this developer. Now choose I accept, confirm, continue, and allow. I'm sorry, my screen is not really working properly. Okay, finally. So, as I was saying, I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Over here you need to select receive on an Android and send on Samsung. Then click on all of those dots and choose send in order to send all of your files. It will take some time though, so I will only go with this one photo. Choose send and tap got it. From here we have two ways to connect. You can input this key over here and choose receive or scan QR code. In order to scan it, tap on the scanning icon on an Android, select allow and point your device's camera at the code. As you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!